Now what? Well, you've got to distribute this across here. And I'm running out of room. So, let me see. Nothing works on this thing, but I'll do the best I can. Don't you love this program? No consistency whatsoever. Well, anyway. Now, if I wanted to get this by itself, it wouldn't do it. We all know whose fault it is. Bush designed this thing. So, limit as h approaches 0 of x cubed. God, look there, we got x cubed. Isn't that a miracle? X cubed plus 2x squared h plus xh squared plus hx squared plus h2x h squared plus h cubed minus plus 1 minus x cubed minus 1. I'm going to go ahead and minus out my x term so then I can deal with the h term. So that one goes out, that one goes out, that one goes out, and that one goes out. That leaves us with limit as h approaches 0 of 2xh, 2x squared h. I'm looking for another x squared h. There it is. So that'd be 3. That one, x squared h here. So that would be 3x squared h, right? And then we got xh squared, xh squared. That'd be 3xh squared. Right? Yes, Hubert. I don't know, Hubert. I have no clue, Hubert. Thank you, class. H cubed over h. Way to go, class. Take the h out. Take that one out. That would be a h to the first. And this would be a h squared. So that would be 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared over, well, not over. Sorry. And what happens when you plug in that 0? That 0 is going to take this out, and it's going to take this out, so you're left with what? F prime of x is equal to 3x squared. So what is your slope, now that we've done moved the graph and it looks all stupid, at -4, -4 is going to be what? Positive what? 16? 16 times 3 is what? 48 over 1. And of course it's a positive slope, so that means, what is your little car doing? It's going uphill, so that's right. Now, of course, mine is not perfect because I didn't even draw it. Probably -4 would be down in here somewhere, so it'd be a little bit steeper. You just have to look at it on your graphing calculator. And at 5 is what? 5 squared is 25 times 3, 75 over 1. What do you notice about this? They're both what? They're both positive. Well, how is that possible? We plugged in negatives. Square makes it positive. You're starting to see why people don't understand calculus. They don't understand calculus because they don't understand the basics, the algebra, the limit. And then putting the two together, you start to see. Now you can follow a particle as it what? Moves. And you feel good about yourself. Right, Miss Anthony? You have a question?
Yeah. Why'd you cancel out that 3x8 plus h squared? Okay.
Plug in what?
0.
0. Let's do one more of these. And then we'll look at some of you, or look at some homework problems in the book or something. I'm trying to, there we go. How about f of x is equal to x minus 1 cubed minus 4. Go ahead and take a minute and work on that. needs a new glass. Bless you. If you're following along, we're on about page 154 in your book. Yeah, just come on in whenever, that's fine. Eat breakfast, you know, just come on in whenever, that's fine. We had a pop quiz this morning. You failed.
Oh, no.
Just thought I'd let you know that.
Is that like a third of the grade?
Yeah.
Okay.
How'd you know?
Let me guess.
Guess you're catching on to the failure thing. I don't understand why we don't have it. Yes, sir.
How do you know what two sides you're gonna like plug into the phone?
Just pick any point.
Any points?
Yeah. I just need to put one on there. I'll do it when I get it up there. I'll do it. Minus 4. Alright, so let's do this one. Y'all ready? Y'all feel good about yourself? And after this one, you should be able to tackle some of the homework problems in the book or wherever the 5,000 that I assigned to you. So the first thing we need to do is expand it. So that's going to be limit as h approaches 0 of parentheses minus 1 minus 4 minus parentheses minus 1 minus 4 over h. And what goes in here? X plus h and x. Now before we do anything, we got to clean this up because it's a mess. And limit as h approaches 0. Let's see, what can we do here? Well, this right here, this is going to be a mess because we got a minus b to the third power. So we're going to have to put that in x plus h minus 1 quantity squared times x plus h minus 1, right? Minus 4 minus x minus 1 quantity squared times x minus 1 minus 4. Everybody with me? Limit as h approaches 0 of x plus h quantity squared minus 2 times 1. Let's see, that'd be, minus 2 times 1 times x plus h plus 1 squared is 1 times x plus h minus 1 minus 4 minus x squared minus x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus 4 over h. And then this is going to be, we got a mess here because you got to multiply this times this, this times this, this times this, and then this times this. So x plus h times x plus h squared is x plus h to the third minus 2 times x plus h squared plus x plus h minus x plus h quantity squared plus 2 x plus h minus 1 minus 4 minus x cubed minus, I'm sorry, that's going to be x. I messed that up. Hold on. That's going to be, I'm right, x cubed minus x squared plus x minus x squared plus x minus 1 minus 4. All that over h. And then you're going to have x plus h cubed I'm trying to simplify as much as possible. Negative 2 x plus h squared minus x plus h squared is negative 3 x plus h squared plus 3 x plus h minus what? 5? Y'all following along with me okay? And then you got all this trash. I'm going to go ahead and, before I subtract, that's going to be, let's see, x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 5. Well, at least the 5s are going to cancel out, aren't they? Y'all not talking to me. Y'all mad at me? I won't be the first person this morning that ain't mad at me.
Where'd you get that 2 from?
I have no idea. Let's see. Well, I don't even know what 2 you're talking about. Hold on. What 2? Where?
The third line. If you go 3.
Right here?
No, up.
Right here?
Up. To left.
Right here?
Yep.
Shortcut number what? Shortcut number 2. A minus B, quantity squared, is equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Shortcuts are going to kill you if you don't know them. I hope I haven't made a mistake. Y'all check me. Those of you that even went this far.
See, like, I got an answer, but I have no idea what you're doing. But I got an answer. Some other
I'll
way.
answer the answer too.
Well, the answer comes out to be 3, let's see, 3x minus 1 quantity squared.
I don't know. I don't have
Two
it.
or
Like,
3 yet.
like, if you like expand that, then maybe I have it. I don't know.
We're going to keep going and see what I get, because I have no idea. I haven't tried it, so we're going to see. All right. So now we're at this point. I'm looking to see. Okay, distribute the negative. Kind of helps if I had another screen. So, limit as h approaches 0. That's a pain to have to write every time, but I have to show you all that because if you go into Dr. Buddy's class, he's going to get you if you don't put that, or somebody else's class. All right, x plus h cubed minus 3 times x plus h quantity squared plus 3 times x plus h minus 5, distribute the negative, we get negative x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 5. So does the 5's cancel out? Yeah, we get something to cancel out. Now we've got to do this and distribute that out. So limit as h approaches 0 of x, I wish I had copied that down before when we did this. That's all right. X squared plus 2xh. Is that an earthquake? Plus 2xh plus h squared times x plus h minus 3 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 3x plus 3h. I'm going to go ahead and cancel those 5s unless y'all want to write them over and over. Minus x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x. All that over h. Bet it won't let me copy this. That's better than nothing. If it'll copy. The reason I want to copy it, I bet it won't let me copy it, so I can keep all this so I can find my error if I make a mistake. Nope. Heaven forbid you want to copy something on this stupid thing. You know, on most applications, when you highlight something, usually there's a box you can pull down and say copy. Am I mistaken?
Box in the corner, like that little box that you have highlighted. There's a little
Up here?
No.
Bottom right.
Right here?
No, like the box that you have highlighted with the no.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Miss Anthony, you will make a D in the class instead of an F.
Yay.
So you can take it over. Thank you very much. I didn't even see that box. What?
I'd take a D right now.
You gonna make an A in here if you pay me enough. All right. That's a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. Okay? I don't want to get fired. Oh, God. Now I just got to find out how to paste. Okay, Miss Anthony, how do you paste? I'll try Control V. Nope, that don't work. Okay.
Just smash all the buttons.
Yeah, just smash all the buttons. Yeah.
Said you wanted to copy. You didn't say anything about paper.
Right.
Thanks, class.
I can only be helpful to so far.
Click in the middle. Then do.
I've tried that. All it does is move that freaking box over.
Can you right?
Wait a minute. Let me try this. Hold on. No. There's insert, but that's not image. Paste. We are cooking with peanut oil. OIL, sorry. Y'all heard me say it, okay? I said OIL. God almighty. Kind of help have training on this before classes start. Oh, I'm sorry, they're putting it up. I have this on the previous page. Take this. Now, my whole point of doing this LA problem, is to show you how nice it is to have derivative laws, because that's what I'm going into. So that's why I'm doing this complicated problem, so you can appreciate the derivative laws. All right, so limit as h approaches 0 of x cubed. Hey, we got x cubed. I thought I saw x cubed down there. That's good. X cubed. Done got lost. Plus 2x squared h plus xh squared plus h x squared plus 2xh squared plus h cubed minus 3x minus 6xh minus 3h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x.
I got the square root of 3x.
Oh, be quiet.